Good day, class. Today's class will be dwelling more on the practical application of electric charges by examining this question on the board. Said a building can be adequately protected from lightning by using asbestos for the roof of the house, planting trees around the house, fixing a long copper strip from the ground along the outside wall to a sharp vertical spike, fixing a long wooden pole with sharp spikes to the outside wall. For us to answer this question, the building can be adequately protected from lightning by fixing a long copper strip from the ground along the outside wall to a sharp vertical spike. This is the correct answer for this question. The information is very, very important. Let all our parents share this information to as many parents they know. Don't forget that there are some students that are bereft of information. They are among the less privileged. Let's share this information and they'll be glad to share it to them. See you in my next video. Bye.